Hello friends, this is Mona Lisa from Karigori Hat once again, and in this particular video episode I am going to show you some beautiful and some lovely hand katha embroidery sarees done on pure Bangalore silk. So these are really very beautiful sarees, and these are authentic Bangalore silk, and purely the work, the katha embroidery work is purely hand done. No machine work is involved, and these sarees, the rural women of Bengal, they do this embroidery on the Bangalore silk sarees. They do it by hand, and it takes a month, a couple of months like that to complete one saree. So you can understand that the amount of effort, amount of labor which is involved in making one saree. So that is the reason why these are all masterpieces. I'm wearing one such saree. Okay, these are all masterpieces because of the beautiful and completely hand done work on these sarees. So let me show you some of such beauties. The first saree today is in a lovely blue shade. Lovely blue shade. Just take a look at the katha work which is done on these sarees. Each and every saree that I will show you in this episode, you just focus on the beautiful and intricate katha work which is done by hand, yet it is so neat, so beautiful. Just take a look at the work. This is this one I am showing you is the yoke portion, the upper portion of the yoke. This is the lower portion of the yoke. This is quite wide, as you can understand, because see, this is my hand, and this is quite wide. Okay, the design is, the embroidery is quite wide on both sides. Okay, this is the palla portion. Just take a look at the beautiful palla. I will just hang it a bit more low so that you can see the border also. See, this is the border. This is the border I was talking about. This is the border, and this is the pallu portion. Just take a look at the pallu from a distance. This work is so beautiful. I will give you a close-up definitely, but first take a look at the pallu from a distance. This will help you understand that how the sari will look from a distance when you are going to drape it. This is a beautiful pallu portion. Multicolored threads have been used for the embroidery, yet it looks so sober. So let me give you a close-up. This one I have already showed you. Let me show you the pallu portion. This is the work on the pallu portion. Just see, it is so neat, so intricate. Can you see the work? It's so beautiful. The work is very intricate. Very intricate. So many colors have been used, but they have been used in such a way that it looks very elegant, subtle and classy. Now I am going to show you the draped look of this saree. The color is a very beautiful blue. This is not royal blue. This is, what should I say? This is neither turquoise nor royal nor midnight. This is ink blue, possibly. This is the exact shade actually. Okay, so you just name the color. It's a very beautiful shade of blue. Very bright, very beautiful. And the work done on it, the material is pure Bangalore silk. The work done on it is completely hand work. It is pure hand katha embroidery. Now take a look at the pleats portion. This is how the saree is going to look when you will drape the saree. When you will drape the saree, this is how the look would be. This is how the look would be. Beautiful pallu, beautiful color, and a very gorgeous look. As you can see that the white katha work, the white embroidery is done at the bottom of the pleats. Okay, and it's all over till the end of the saree, from where you detach the blouse piece. See, it is still here, and this is the blouse piece which is in the body color, and this is the work for the sleeves. This will look very beautiful when used on the sleeves. So you can just use this blouse piece to pair with this sari. Price of this sari is 6,950 rupees only. Now coming to a very beautiful purplish or wine shade, a beautiful wine color. This color also looks very gorgeous when draped. This is the palla. Okay, now the embroidery, as you see, is done in beige color. The base is wine color or purple or in purplish tone, and this is the color of the thread used for katha embroidery. Okay, this is in beige color. This is in beige color. This is the look of the sari. This is the palla portion. As you can see, very close knit work is done all over the pallu and the yoke portion. The work is very closely knit. I've already showed you a close-up of the work. Now, if you see from a distance, as you can see, there are beautiful borders also on both sides. Now, if you see the sari from a distance, you can understand that the work is very closely knit. Okay, and this is going to run till the half of the sari, after which the pleats portion will have the solid color on top and the beautiful katha embroidery at the bottom. As you can see that this is quite wide. If I hold it here, it is up to my knees almost. Okay, the katha embroidery work at the bottom of your pleats or all over the sari, you will find that the work is quite wide. Okay, it is up till my knees. So this is the pleats portion. I'm showing you the pleats portion. Just take a look. See how beautiful this looks. This looks very beautiful when draped. Lovely wine shade. Lovely wine shade. And this one, as you can see, the work is quite up to your knees. It is quite wide and it is almost up to your knees. So lovely katha work at the bottom, and then you have these beautiful buttas all over the body. These beautiful floral buttas all over the body. And let me show you the blouse piece. The blouse piece is in running. That is, the body color is the same as the color of the blouse piece color is the same as the color of the body color of the sari. And this is the katha work which you can use on the sleeves portion. Very beautiful color and very beautiful the overall look of the sari. The draped look of the sari will look very beautiful. And the price of this sari is 6,950. You can use the saris for any kind of party wear, even for wedding parties, if you pair it with a beautiful blouse and accessories and well done makeup. So these saris are good enough to be draped for wedding parties also. So very lightweight, easy to carry. Even if you are going somewhere for which is a program for the whole day, and you wear these saris, even in summer season, these saris are very summer friendly saris. So you can easily drape one, because in spite of having so much of handwork done on these saris, these are still lightweight and they do not weigh more than 600 to 650 grams. So you can understand that it is very easy to carry these saris. It is very easy to keep them on throughout the day. And the material being pure Bangalore silk, it is very summer friendly also. So it will not cause any kind of trouble or discomfort or any itchiness or anything, because there is no stiffness at all. This is completely smooth and soft and lightweight. Okay. So now moving on to our next. This one, the base color of this sari is beige or cream. No, this is not beige exactly. This is cream color. This is the color. This is cream color body. Cream color body, and this is the pallu portion. Let me show you the pallu portion. This is a beautiful pallu portion. As you can see that the work is done in red color. the work, the katha work, this is purely hand done. Maybe I have missed showing in the previous sari, or maybe in a couple of saris or so. But let me tell you that you can check when you receive the sari that the inner portion or the back side of the sari will help you understand that this katha work is completely hand done. There is no machine work involved in these katha stitch saris. Now this is the yoke portion, the upper portion of the yoke, as you can see. Upper portion of the yoke. This is the bottom portion of the sari. This design is going to run all over the bottom of your sari. I will show you how. And these are lovely buttas, again katha stitch. Okay, this is a close-up of the palla. The work is done in a tone of red. This is not pure red, but somewhat coral and red mixed tone. So this is the I don't know the exact shade. I'm finding it red mixed with coral, somewhat like that. So this is a single thread embroidery done on the sari. Now I will show you the draped look of the sari. So the draped look will help you understand the fall of the sari. You'll be able to understand that there is no stiffness in these saris. There is absolutely no stiffness in these saris. Absolutely smooth, absolutely soft. You know, it is very important that the material of the sari which you are wearing does not cause you discomfort, because the moment it does, you will not feel like wearing saris anymore. So what happens is you develop a disliking. So if you wear smooth, soft materials, pure, authentic materials, then that problem will not arise. So you will feel very comfortable wearing those saris, and once again these are very lightweight, so you will not feel heavy wearing these saris. Now this is the draped look of this particular sari. As you can see, the buttas are all over, and the design, like I told you, will run till the end of the sari. I will show you. The design and the buttas are there till the end of the sari. This is the blouse piece which I am holding in my hand, and that is the body of the blouse, and this is the work for the sleeves, to be used for the sleeves portion. Okay, the price of this sari is 6,950 rupees. Now one more beautiful shade of blue. One more beautiful shade of blue coming up. Lovely color, lovely design. Now this is a dual color, dual tone color. You know, this color is a dual tone blue. This is, I cannot tell you that this is one exact color, but this has got a dual tone. I don't know how much you can make it out from the video, but since I'm holding it in my hands and I'm seeing it with my naked eyes, I can tell you that this is a dual tone. Two different tones of blue combined in one. Now I'm showing you the pallu portion. Right now I'm showing you the pallu portion. See how gorgeous this is. The color is gorgeous. The work is very beautiful, very neat, very intricate. This is the pallu. I'll show you a close-up of the work. This is how the work is done. Completely hand done. Just take a look at the inner side of the sari, which will tell you that this is completely hand done. Beautiful border which is there on both sides of the sari, that is on upper side as well as on the lower side. And these beautiful buttas, katha embroidery buttas, you will find all over the body of the sari. This is the pallu portion. Now I will show you the pleated look. I will show you the pleated look of the sari. The pleats will have this beautiful design done all over the bottom of the sari, and there will be these katha embroidery buttas on the pleats portion as well as all over the sari. In the yoke portion also you can see that these lovely buttas are there, and these buttas will also be there all over the sari. This is the draped look of the sari. Very beautiful color, very beautiful design, pure Bangalore silk and completely hand katha embroidery done all over the sari. Very comfortable material, very flowy, very lightweight, no stiffness, pure Bangalore silk. And of course, like all other sarees, this saree has also got a blouse piece. This design is still the end of the saree, you can see. This is a blouse piece and this is the work on the blouse piece. Pure hand katha work. Price of this saree is 6,950 rupees only. Okay, now coming up with a beautiful shade, very different, very unique. Just take a look at the beautiful color. Beautiful shade, and just take a look at the color of the embroidery, the color of the threads rather, used for embroidery. This has come up so beautifully on this color. The green, the use of green, and then the use of this is also coral. I think this is coral color. So use of these beautiful, and white is also there. So these beautiful colors, they look very nice on this particular base. This is the pallu portion. This is the pallu portion of the saree. As you can see, very beautiful katha work has been done. These are all pure hand katha embroidery. Once again, I am showing you the back side of the saree to help you understand that this is not any machine work. Okay, this is the border. Beautiful katha stitch border, as you can see. This is the pallu. Beautiful pallu. Lovely, colorful and beautiful, as you can see. This is the yoke portion. As you will see that these lovely embroideries are there on both sides of the saree. Now this design will not continue till the end, the design on the upper portion, because this will end where you tuck in. After that you are going to tuck in the pleats, so there is no point using this design on that portion. So we have used this design till the end of the saree, because this is going to fall in the lower portion of your saree or the bottom portion of your pleats and all over the lower portion of your saree. Now this is the look of the pallu and the yoke portion, as you can see. Okay, now let me give you a pleated look to help you understand the fall and the look of the saree. Like I mentioned, if you follow now, that the katha embroidery is done all over the bottom of the pleats, all over the bottom of the pleats, and till the very end of the saree you will find this katha work done. And the border is quite wide. Okay, if you see here, the work is quite wide. This work is not narrow, but the katha work at the bottom of the pleats or all through the bottom of your saree is quite wide. This is a very lovely shade of yellow, and this is the look. This is the look of the saree, the draped look of the saree. Okay, very beautiful. This is the beautiful color which I was talking about. Very lovely color, and moreover, this particular the use of these particular colors on this particular base looks even more beautiful. This makes the saree look even more beautiful. This is the blouse piece which is running, that is the same color as the body, and this is the work for your sleeves. Even this one is so beautiful. If you use this for your sleeves, it will really look beautiful. So this saree priced at 6,950 rupees only. One more lovely saree in black. This is the last saree in today's episode. This is the last one in today's episode. A beautiful black. A beautiful, beautiful black color. Take a look at this. This is the pallu portion. The pallu is, the embroidery is done using white and beige colored thread. White and beige. Okay. So this is very sober. The base is black. The colors have popped up very well. It looks so even, so intricate. So this is a very sober looking sari, as you can see. There is this border on the top portion of your yoke, and these beautiful, lovely, beautiful flowers. These are also, of course, kantha, hand done, all over the body of the sari. Okay. So now let me show you the pleated look of the sari. The buttas you will find all over the sari. So it just does not look plain. And this one gives a beautiful starry look to the sari. You know, it looks like stars all over the sky at night. I feel something like that by looking at the sari. So the use of colors for the embroidery on black, they have been done so well done, that the look of the sari, overall look of the sari is very sober and very elegant. You can use it for your office meetings and all as well, because this is a very sober looking sari, very lightweight. In spite of so much of work, hand work, this is very lightweight, and you can easily carry it throughout the day, because in office you will have to carry it throughout the day, but it will be comfortable. I can assure you that if you drape the sari even throughout the day, it is going to be absolutely comfortable wear. So this is the draped look of the sari, very classy, very elegant. These saris are tradition of Bengal, because these are completely hand kantha stitched saris. Please remember, these are hand kantha stitched saris, not machine work, and they have got a class and a genre of their own. These are the heritage and tradition of Bengal. And the rural women of Bengal do this embroidery, and they take, like I told you, they take a month or a couple of months to complete each sari. This is the blouse piece in black, and this is the work on the sleeves, kantha work on the sleeves. Price is 6950, 6,950 rupees only is the price of the black color sari, which was the last sari today. I have showed you quite a few Bangalore silks with pure Bangalore silks, of course, with hand kantha embroidery done on them. Please remember that let's not ruin the heritage and tradition of Bengal, because these come directly from the rural Bengal, from the rural women of Bengal, and they spend hours and days, and like I told you, month or couple of months to complete its sari. So there's a lot of labor involved, a lot of work, lot of time consuming factor, everything is involved. So please let us respect this, and please let us buy authentic saris, authentic material, authentic work, and let us justify these saris. So like I told you, once again, the saris are all pure Bangalore silk with hand kantha embroidery done on them, and the price of these saris are 6,950 rupees each. If you want to book any sari, please do take a screenshot and WhatsApp it to any of the two numbers given below. The numbers are 9123775200 or 98303-71861. Just send me a screenshot and ask for availability, and I will let you know. If it is available, you can book it. Then you'll have to pay the shipping charges, of course, and the shipping charges are always extra. The price is not included in the price of the sari. We also ship to international location. We ship all over India as well as to international locations. So if you are located in US or any other international location, you can also avail these saris by courier service. We use DHL and FedEx for international couriers. So you can also avail these saris even if you are located anywhere outside India. So friends, thank you for watching. A big thank you for watching this episode. Please do share it with your friends and relatives. Please do let everybody know about Karigari Hut and the beautiful collection of saris we have in store for all of you. Thanks a lot for watching. We will soon meet with many more collection of Katha stitch sarees on Bangalore silk and on Tasar. I also have stock of Katha on Tasar sarees, okay, which I will come up with very soon. So friends, stay tuned for the updates on my Facebook page and on WhatsApp. Till then, take care. Bye bye.